Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll learn how to answer customer service calls professionally and politely. Hello ABC company, this is Sarah from customer service. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like some information about your services.
Sure, I'd be happy to help you. Now let's try another professional greeting. Hello, thank you for calling ABC company. This is Sarah from customer service speaking. What can I help you with today?
Hi, I have a question about my order.
Of course, let me check that for you. When speaking with the customer on the phone, remember these important tips. Speak clearly, smile while talking, use polite words, sound confident and friendly. Listen carefully to the customer. Now practice with me. Hello, thank you for calling ABC Company. This is Sarah from customer service speaking. What can I help you with today? I hope this video helped you improve your customer service English skills. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.